We have been waiting for this for so long. And with the realization of our dream, it is really a very big dream for all the senior citizens in the Philippines. We would like to thank our President, Honorable Ferdinand Marcos. Thank you so much for the approval of this Centenarian Act.
At pakinggan naman natin si Senator Bong Revilla. Siya naman ang author ng bill na ito, mga guys.
Well, anyway, tapos na yan. Andito tayo ngayon upang magpasalamat sa ating mahal na Pangulo at nalagdaan na yung ating itong expanded Centenarian Law. At nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating Senate President at sa ating mga colleagues, especially to Senator Amy at bilang chairman na talaga namang pinagsikapan niyang maipasa ito. Dahil